Good morning. Let me share this link. Okay. Give me 1 second here. I need to connect. All right. Good morning, everybody. Let's see where we are. Hey, hey. All right. So I was buying calls down here. We kind of have a bullpen continuation. We know we're going to get a higher high today. I've got some notes marked on the DOM with the overnight high, previous day high, previous day close, the overnight low profile, and then the overnight low excess low. So these are kind of the guidelines, and then once we break yesterday's high, I'm looking for a higher high today, right? We all know that. I'm looking for continuation into 4600, 4610, maybe 4620. I think those are levels that are in contention for today. If we look at some of our options levels, we're over this support level on SPX. We're on SPY. We've got some major resistance here at 455, so I'm going to be watching that on SPY. 455 on SPY coincides with a higher high, probably right around 96.98 area here. So this might be my first target, 96.98, somewhere in this range. Just a couple points higher than yesterday. But I think that's all we really need, right? Well, that's all I really need to make this a good options play. I think I'm up 20-30% right now. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, I'm up 40%. There we go. So that's already a good day. But I still want to get that higher high. I also went long futures at no, where am I? 87.75. So I'm probably going to close that trade out here soon. Here we go. So ES is about to get that higher high. And I've got my eye on SPY. Just because the SPY call wall here is at 455. today, we might see a smaller range. It's expiration, right? Um, I don't really know. You know, Usually days after triple distribution days are rangy, meaning um, you know they're not really trend days. So I'm not expecting a trend day. I'm expecting like at the end of the day, this will be like I think what people call a doji candle, or something like that, where it's I don't know, um, looks pretty small and squished. That's kind of what I'm expecting, but with a higher high. So here's we're almost to yesterday's high. And these stats on the triple distribution apply to ES only. They don't apply. I don't look at SPX on those. Um, although I assume they would apply for SPX too, but I don't know. That's why that's why I like IBKR, because I can do 24-hour options trading. So I don't have to wait till open to get out of this trade. Um, oh shit, yes I do. Because from 9:15 to 9:30 option trading is closed on IBKR. I just tried to sell a few contracts and I totally forgot that it's closed right before open. So yes, I am actually stuck until open now. Um, let's see. That's okay though. Again, I'm just looking for a higher high. I was buying calls and futures down here. Um, I think I posted on Twitter I'm buying calls on any dip this morning, and this is why. Uh, let's see. Okay. Yeah. All right. So SPY 455 is definitely the level I'm watching. Um, and again, that lines up with like ES 96, 98 area. Here it goes. Come on. But don't do it. I want to be able to sell these fuckers before it drops. So I don't know. Like again, um, this this the stats on the triple distribution day. It's not a continuation type statistic. It is a. I know ES is going to get a higher high today, and we're about to get that right. So I was buying calls and futures down here. How high is the unpredictable part, right? Most likely it's not going to be a trend day, right? Most likely, meaning it will be a range type trading day. That is what I'm looking at. So, whatever, we'll have to see what the first hour of trading looks like. I'll probably be out of these calls at open if we get that higher high pretty quick. That should give me a 50-60% gain on the calls that I went for. I did close out my futures trade from 87. I closed that out here at 83. I mean 93. So that was a decent trade. I went on regular size there, 10 contracts. So that's a couple $1,000. So that's a good trade. Um, All right. So here we go. Yeah, I forgot about the blackout period between 9:15 and 9:30 on IBKR. Makes me a little nervous, but I know we haven't gotten that higher high yet, so. Morning. Thanks for joining. Let's see what else we got going on today. We got a couple minutes until the market opens, so I'm gonna get some other stuff. Oh yeah, yesterday we had the poor high. What the hell is this? Oh, it's doubling the session because it's not open yet. But yesterday we have a poor high. It's got to be repaired today, most likely. Um, okay. All right. Here we go. Maybe, but we're gonna get a higher high. So I don't know what happens after that. Um, Here's the composite. You can see we're clearly getting a breakout of the previous range as long as we stay over. And we have a couple single prints that are in play. Could be in play today. I don't know, but as long as this single print does not get fully taken out, I think ES is going to 46.10. First area of resistance is like literally just over the high at like 96.98. Maybe that's it, but I would expect we go up to 46.10. Maybe gives us an excess high, but I doubt it. T plus uh, T+1 on triple distribution days are not reversal days. They're usually range type trading days with a higher high. So you get like a doji candle with a higher high. And here we go. We're about to push through. So let me pull up a DOM. Here we go. Profit taking, whatever. I don't know. I mean, I'm going to be taking profits on the calls I was taking down here. So, all right. There's yesterday's high. Come on. All right. We're almost there. Oh, I can't sell anything. All right, so here's the higher high almost. All right, technically that's a higher high on ES right there. So let's hope it doesn't just get smashed down. Hopefully we get some continuation higher, which I think we will. Again, once ES gets over 96, 98, I think 46.10 is the level to watch. And then we'll go from there. So there's also a poor high from yesterday. And we should be fixing that now. So that's a seller, right? Look at the absorption. All right, market opens and I'm in it. Yeah, it's gonna go. It's gonna. There's open. Right over yesterday's high. Here's the higher high. 100% on my calls. Almost 85, 90. It was 100, but open. Do that. There we go. So 96, 98 is first level to watch. And let's see. Here we go, 96, 98. Getting some continuation further up. Okay. Alright, so we've got 99.75 now. I'm starting to sell my options just because I've got a bunch of them. I got to scale out. Okay, scale, scale, scale. Don't do me like that. Aha! 125%. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful day. Oh shit, yeah. This is fantastic. I'll leave a few on for runners. But I don't think we're going to go much higher. Maybe 46.10. Oh man. This is awesome. I'll show you guys why in just a second. I went big. I went pretty big this morning. Today I'm at $76,000 I just made. Hell yeah. Check this shit out. Boom. Oh man. Ah! I love stats. It's a thing of beauty. We're at 46.02. Let's go. Alright, 46.10. I think it's going to get hit after this, and then I don't know what the rest of the day holds, but I'm probably done trading, honestly. There was, that was fucking sweet. We got our higher high. And now I might just trade, maybe I'll trade futures today. Just stay on the live and just chat about futures, I guess. Oops. But I'm done with options. That's a damn good day. Oops, what am I doing? Oh boy. That was fucking sweet. Oh, you have an echo, huh? I think I know one. No, I don't. Oh no. Whew. No echo, okay. Yeah, so I was buying when I posted that on Twitter, it was that we were down here. I was buying calls here, right? I was buying calls and I bought futures at 87.75 just because I was late getting in. I was actually at the gas station filling up my wife's van with gas when I was buying calls down here. But that's when I tweeted that out. When I was buying, scaling into calls. I'm out. I'm out now. Oh yeah, I left runners. I need to probably get out of those. Yeah, I need to get out. All right, so I'm out for the day. So we got our higher high, and I think today we're gonna get. I think this is our probably our range for the day, somewhere in here, maybe a little bit higher. But we do have some overnight single prints that are posting right now. So I mean, can't. Well, I've been off this week, right? I've been off pretty bad this week, and it has nothing to do with doing this stuff live. It just was a bad week for me for the most part, right? I was sort of behind on the market, on what the market was doing, but I got my. But when you get a stat like a triple distribution day like yesterday, you can't ignore that. That is something you have to trade on. Um, that's an advantage over the market for today, right? And we saw that. These are the days where you can make back some of this, some of the losses that you've acquired, right, over the past couple days. And that's what my deal is. Oh man, what a good day! Look, it's going higher too. Shit. All right, so here we go. Let's see if there's any interest over 603. Looks like there might be. Yeah, there is. So no excess high yet, but we did repair that poor high from yesterday. Now. Um, oh, I sell too early. I know I do. Damn. That's all right. 46.10. Let's see. 'All right, so here we go. Yeah, we're in some resistance now. But SPY went right over 455 at open and just kind of scooted on up. We'll have to see. I might trade more. I don't know. But that opening trade was unreal. That was one of my better trades I've posted in a while. Just because I had pretty good conviction on that one. $46.05. I would expect this to be some resistance here, some rotation back down at this point. Just looking at these levels on SPX, maybe a couple points higher, but I would expect rotation back down pretty soon here. And then we'll see if we got, I think what I'll do is just, I think my plan for today is just, now that I'm out of that opening trade, is just kind of watch this. I might watch this today. This has actually been really a really good a really good tool on these on over the last couple weeks. Opening range breakouts for the 30-minute OR. Um, Here we go. I might just watch this. See what. See if we get any more single prints. Hey. Sorry guys. Let me fix that. Should have stayed in my damn futures trade, but I got out pretty quick on that one. All right, let's see, where are we? Oops, sorry. I don't know why TOS kind of crashed on me. But I think today, I was looking at, because today's VIX right? VIX expiration day. I might start to swing some puts. I hate saying that. But like maybe, oh, here we go. Okay, cool. It's blocked out. There we go. Here we go. I want the TPO up. So you can see, look at that. We've clearly fixed the poor high from yesterday, right? We've got this nice tail, right? Literally right where the poor high was. I mean, that's pretty cool to see. I don't know. That's pretty cool to see. We shot up. Let's see if we get an excess low with the single print. So that'll take until 10:30, right? That'll be our initial balance. I'm not going to do anything else until IB is closed, just to see what the structure looks like, and then we'll take it from there. You know, the thing with being a retail trader is you've got to find your edge, right? And you've got to find your advantages. And again, this triple distribution stat is no joke. It's how I made it's I've made I make this is how I make probably the majority of money that I make in this market. That and the V trades from the low areas on a profile. Those are the two high probability trades that I'll take all day. And I'm trying to refine the process for swing trading. I suck at swing trading though. I mean, I am horrible at it. I cannot do it. I don't know why, but I suck at it. I suck with options on swing trading. I always find, I always go wait. I always buy options that are that expire too soon, etc., etc. And I end up losing money on swings just for that reason. And I always chicken out too. I never have conviction on swings. I'm terrible at it. Good with same day, which is weird. Most people are the opposite. kind of funny. All right. So we do have a small gap from yesterday's previous close. I wonder if that gets filled. Move this to SPX. We can see it. Yeah, there it is. There's a small gap. I imagine this gets filled today. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So I was just messing around with these pennants, right? These continuation patterns have been really these breakout patterns have been ridiculously accurate on ES and SPX and SPY. Not so much for ES actually, but look at this for SPX. So on the day we broke out of here, broke out of 52, came up to 45.25. That's when we got our first little drawdown. I just drew a flag pole, they call it, from from the breakout to the top of the pennant, and then just copied it. And look where we are. Like we're at the top of this pennant. I mean this pole. Like that's crazy. I mean some of these technical. I have not been a TA trader, at least with like pennants and flags and all that stuff. But now that I'm actually starting to like do that stuff, it's interesting. Oh, you take 4 to 6 months on swings? Yeah, '05 Delta. I know that. I mean, I know I should be doing that. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Some rotation back down. I wonder if we go SPX goes fills this gap. I would contend if that happens that that's our range we're going to be in. So I'd be a buyer down here, and I'd be a seller up here. But let's let it play out and see. I don't know that that's true right now. I'm going to get rid of that now that we've got our higher high. We tagged 46.06. I thought we might get to 46.10. And if we look at our daily, let's see this one right here. All right, so on the 15-minute, I don't want to stop playing yet because we've got this huge low area on the TPO, right? And again, I think there's a single, but well, no single yet. Obviously, we're only on one period. We're not even one period in. But on the 15-minute, you can see we have this, and this is why I like to do short-term trading on the 15-minute because it does show you a little bit more. We have this area right here, and on the volume profile, come down to 4,600, 4,599. And that might be like the first rotation of the day. I was going to look at something and then I forgot. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this divergence happening on the dollar. All right, so yeah, I'd say, yeah, I'm cautious to be bullish here. I think there's another one I look at too, breadth. Let's see what kind of breadth we're at. market breadth. Let's see. Yes, one day. Is that right? I don't know. Let's try it. Yeah, alright. Oh, okay, so this is S5FI. This is, I think the percentage of stocks above 50-day MA. And look at that. I mean, it's near the top, right? So we are close to topping out. Like we are very close. But it can go higher, just not much higher. Uh, it's just interesting. Yeah, so market breadth still maybe has some room, but not much at all. If you look at the previous tops, I mean, they've been up here, right? Anytime we've gotten up here, it's been kind of toppy, right? Except for here, okay. So it can still continue, but it does lead to a top eventually. Um, I mean, that's what everybody says, eventually. Right here was blow offy. Feels kind of like what we're encountering now, right? And it was a decent little top. I lean that we're like probably here, pretty close to here. But look at that, it can flatten out. Pretty crazy. Yeah. Anyways, this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted to look at. I think. This is TPO. Where are you? Why? There we go. So on this daily TPO chart, oh yeah, look at that. So yeah, 4606 was this line here. Damn. Yeah. And then 4610 is the low volume node here. I mean, that is crazy move right here. Hold on one second, guys. Alright, I'm back. Nice, 46.18. Seems possible, for sure. What's neg doing? Any GG? Oh, it's down. Oh, I'm still up pretty good on the position though. Alright, so now it's time to refer to this. Alright. Alright, see how this got bought up 61.25 to 46.02. That's kind of like an excess low for this little range, it seems like, right? Oopsie daisies, that's sensitive. And really, this is pretty clear. Like, I would expect this to get down to this 4,600, 45.99 area. Yes.
Do you know where the remote is?
Which remote?
The downstairs one.
The downstairs remote?
Mm.
It should be on the couch or on the cabinet.
Not on the couch or the cabinet.
It's not? Alright, guys, I gotta go help my kid find a remote. I'll be right back.
Daddy, come on.
Oops. All right, I'm back. Post it. Sorry about that. I had to go help my kid find the remote downstairs. Um, and my wife brought home some cheese danishes that were really good, so I had to take some bites. All right, so let's see where we are in the auction. Oh, we're almost at 4610, which is kind of the aiming point I was looking for today. 1013. So that's flashing a choppy day kind of indicator. It did the same thing yesterday. All right, then I lost internet for a second. Um, okay. I'm just waiting for the initial balance to close, but so far, um, we've got a little range to work with. A 5-point consolidation range, which is what you expect. We're pretty balanced in here, so whatever move comes out of it's probably going to be pretty good. If we get another single print, before the close of IB, that would be insane. Meaning we would need 2 to get here and then 3 to close here, or something like that. But I think 4610 gets tagged, and I think that's going to be our resistance, yeah. But I could definitely see it getting up to 16 to 18 to 20. Yeah, shorting this is probably, I mean, I guess could work. Just need 602 to fail. If we look up here, I mean, it's kind of pinching a little bit. I still think we're going to tag 10. And head back down to the open. Unless we get a single print. Right. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, stops at 11. Yeah. All right. So we're probably not going to get a single print out of IB. And it looks like the range today is 94 to 4608 so far. I would imagine, well, as I say, I would imagine we're not going to go much higher than this. Yeah. Yep. Back down. This will be high. This will be. No, that's not initial balance low. Initial balance low is the open. There we go. Break 4602, 4600, and I think we see, back down here. I think today is just going to be one of these types of days. Choppy. Alright, so IB's closed. Don't have a single print. So there's really no edge for what's going to happen. Yep. Alright guys, let's see. What the map is saying. I think I'm done for the day. It does seem like it's going to fall back down, so you can probably short it at some point if you haven't gotten short yet. It does seem that way. But I don't know. Well, thanks for joining this morning. Just maybe put a bow on today. I thought we were going to hit 4610. We hit 4609. I thought that would be probably the high of day, and we would get a higher high from yesterday. All of that has happened so far, so it's been a pretty decent day. A really good trading day for me, both in futures and in options. Not sure what tomorrow will bring. I will say this, when I was looking at, let me pull up this volatility real quick. When I was looking at VIX volatility, here we go. 1 second here. Okay, so when I was looking at this, a couple things stood out. Still good for today, but then next expiration is pretty low on the put to call ratio. So I would really expect a pullback over the next week, if not longer. I mean, it looks like, I mean, this right here, these numbers right here are not bullish, right? Going into September and August. I don't really care about anything past the next one though. So this is the primary one that I'm looking at, and this is not bullish at all. I would expect volatility might. I'd expect VIX to have maybe a pop over the next week. How much, I don't know. That's what I'm looking at least until next, whatever the 7/26 is. What is that, next Wednesday? Yeah. Oh yeah, next expiration. Duh. So I'm not really bullish after today, and it would make sense that that would happen, given we had a triple distribution day today. We got a continuation today, right? And then the usual thing that happens after this type of move is a reversal in the trend. So I really do expect next week to be, maybe Thursday, Friday, to be pretty flat. Maybe down a little bit. I don't know. I would expect next week. I would expect between now and next week to be down. So think you could probably swing some puts from up here if you're into that kind of thing and maybe be okay. But last time I thought that, I got crushed. But who knows? That's where I'm at now. SPX got pretty close to 4,600. Um, I don't know if it actually gets there over the next week. I don't think so. I think it's done. I think today is consolidation day. Get a little indecision, quote unquote indecision doji candle, whatever, and then I think tomorrow might be a reversal, so down, and maybe we'll clean up some structure that was left behind in some of these moves. So yeah, like down here, maybe back down to 4,500, 44.66-ish. Over the next week, I would expect these targets to possibly be hit. But I don't know, man. I don't know. Might just keep going parabolic. I don't know. If I think that and everybody else thinks that, then it's not going to happen. So, all right. Well, thanks for joining. I hope you all have a great trading day. I might hop back on at some point, but I'll let you know. All right, guys. Have a good day.